5:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:33 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Annetta, or near Weatherford, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Irving, Grand Prairie, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Killer, Coppell, Hearst, Southlake, Weatherford, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Forest Hill, and Eagle. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 46 and 67. Interstate 20 between mile markers 406 and 434. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 32. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Oh shit.
Significant weather advisory for eastern Wise, Denton, northwestern Collin, southern Cook, and southwestern Grayson counties until 4:45 a.m. At 4:11 a.m.
I just got a lightning alert on my phone. Jeez. I got it on good timing. I'll try to get it better when they all go off. Just look at them. Look at it flash. I'm gonna keep this on just in case if the EAS goes off again. Ah, my phone. So that's 2 severe thunderstorms. Thank you. I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to my big boy right here.
Northwestern Denton County in north central Texas. Southeastern Cook County in north central Texas. Grayson County in north central Texas until 5 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Crum, or 8 miles west of Denton, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible.
Anyways,
Locations impacted
hopefully I get another severe thunderstorm. Large-sized hail for our area this time.